Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make some hoop earrings with clay pom-poms. Does that make sense? Yeah, it's cute. I like to use scrap clay for parts of the earring that you do not see. It's important to get your clay warm so that it's nice and conditioned before sticking it in the clay extruder. I use the second largest tube disc that I have. These little cheapy clay extruders are really kind of a chore. You have to kind of work at it, but eventually you get it to come out. Only thing I do not like about it is it's got like these little, looks like hairs of clay that like sticks off it from it running through the extruder. I wrap the little snake clay around the cutter so that I get the right length that I want for my hoop earrings. This piece of clay is what's going to cover the snake that I made with the extruder. It's going to be rolled super thin. The scrap clay roll is now covered with the good clay. Measure them again to make them even. If you don't have a bead maker, this is the best way to make your palms look a little more even. I mean, it'll be close enough. And just do the same for all the colors that you want. Now place your clay palms or clay beads wherever you want them on the hoop. I did not like the first position, so now I'm switching it up. I attach my clay together. You don't have to, but this is my process and how I like it. This is where you need to shape your hoops and make sure they're completely even with one another. I bake my clay at 275 for 10 minutes. Now that they're done, I'm going to cut them apart and figure out the size or how big of a hole, a space in the hoop that I want. I'm so excited. These are going to be so cute. look at its insides. The scrap clay. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more art-related content. Until next time, see you later.